If you've wanted to make some free phone calls, a good way to do it is to log in to your Gmail account, as something new has just been added as of August of 2010. Now, for the rest of this year, it's free. After that, I'm not sure. It could be a small cost to use it. This is only good in the USA. However, it does work in Canada if you have your settings set to English US, which I do. Okay, so first let's log into our Gmail account. Okay, now look down the left hand side, and if it's available to you, you're going to see call phone right here. When you click on that, it brings up a little dialing app here. We can undock this. There it is. Now, it may not come up for you the first time. I think you have to install an application. So on your first install, you're going to get a pop-up box, and then you're going to have to install the software. But once that's done, you can use it whenever you want. Okay, it's showing 10 cents here. That's your calling credit. However, it's just a dummy number right now because you're allowed to go ahead and make the calls to the US and Canada for no money at all. So it works just like a normal phone. 1-800 whatever. Okay, click call, and it will use your default audio device to make the call. Absolutely free.